Apple's shaking things up with the iPhone 18 in 2026, a split launch, a foldable iPhone, and more. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's dive into the future. 2 launches, a foldable iPhone and under-display Face ID. Apple's iPhone 18 plans are wild. Want to know what's coming? Stick around for the full scoop. According to sources, Apple's breaking tradition with the iPhone 18 series in 2026. Instead of one big September launch, they're splitting it into 2 phases. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max will drop in September 2026, while the standard iPhone 18 is slated for March 2027. Rumors say this phase approach helps Apple streamline manufacturing and manage its workforce, ensuring top-quality iPhones with each batch. The iPhone 18 series is set to be massive, with 6 models in the mix. The Star, a foldable iPhone rumored to debut in 2026 with cutting-edge features. Apple's also cooking up under-display Face ID for a seamless look. Yep, no more notch. Plus, expect a successor to the iPhone 17 Air, a slim and affordable model launching this year. The 2026 version will take that sleek design even further. Apple's not just rethinking design, they're shaping up production. Reports say that Apple may build cheaper iPhone 18 models in India to cut reliance on China, especially with Trump's tariffs squeezing margins. This move could lower costs and boost quality control. With a foldable iPhone, slimmer designs, and smarter manufacturing, 2026 is shaping up to be a game changer for Apple. A foldable iPhone and under-display Face ID sound futuristic, but will the split launch confuse buyers? If you're hyped for the iPhone 18 or curious about the foldable, let us know in the comments. Are you Team Pro for September or waiting for the standard model in March? That's the latest on Apple's bold iPhone 18 plans for 2026. If you're excited for foldable iPhones, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.